consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and
you knew it was coming. I'm teabagging you, baby. It's funny.
You have your own bedroom. Why are you sleeping on the couch? We're not mad at you. No money. I will! I will!
I can't believe I'm waiting for your monkey ass! Come on!
He's an idiot.
Record him?
Yes, I did. And I know you guys are wondering, could he do Brady one more time? Yes, he could!
We're in the Valley of Fire. Before we head off back to Minneapolis, we're here in Nevada, checking out this fun place.
How cool is this? Is this the elephant?
Where? That is an elephant, damn it. Oh, that is. Oh, look at you guys. Look how cool this is. Yeah, this is badass. Just like this, boy. We're in the Valley of Fire. These dogs. Valley of Fire. It's a long, lonely road, but we can do it. We don't front on fun.
join the Valley Fire.
Petroglyphs are 2,000 to 4,000 years old.
Not surprising.
It's called Mouse because there was an outlaw named Mouse who hung out here.
Oh.
The Old West. Hey Bert, we're thinking about you. We're gonna give the old scalping kick. Feed the critters. Critters need love too, and food. Found a spot to live in.
Looks like funny room. Looks like you have a guest room over there too. Can I come and- Can I come and stay with you?
It looks pretty nice, man. We've gone from water walking to walking in the Valley of the Fire. Pretty awesome. The sand is fire too. Looks like a family. Yeah, this whole wall is just huge. Oh, that's a cool picture of you. I think if you look really closely, you can see an ancient Navajo pointing his bow and arrow at our heads. Is there a sign that says no gringos? What? It's an eye hole. A nice home.
A really nice one. It's like a mansion.
How many hoes you got in there, Corey? 5 hoes? It's a mansion. What's that sound?
It's the sound of death. The
It
sound
is.
of the sun sapping our souls from our bodies.
Well,
And it's also the sound of Corey's ass releasing gas.
I'll tell you what. If I don't make it here out of this, just give me the old scalping kick. Feed me to the critters.
Your body would bloat like really big.
What are you trying to say?
Let go of an enormous amount of methane all at one time.
Yeah, you're probably right.
guys! It's Ass Weepay! I'm in the land of fire! Corey, what'd you think of the fire?
I saw all kinds of cool things there, Ass Weepay.
Ass Weepay, you sound a lot like Mr. Bill.
I don't know where we're gonna do with this guy. What to do with him? I'm not Mr. Bill, I'm Ass Weepay! Did you have fun today, Corey?
Yeah, I have been.
What was the best part of your day?
Seeing cubby holes in the rock.
How about you, Mr. Brady?
Petroglyphs.
You like the petroglyphs? Mike, what did you enjoy today?
Like it all, just felt like we were on another planet. Just seeing all the petroglyphs and history.
What planet were you on? Uranus?
Uranus, yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
That's what's up your ass, Ass Weepay.
Where do you want to have lunch?
Dairy Queen.
Dairy Queen for Corey!
DQ.
I'm okay. I'm down for whatever, Ass Weepay.
I don't know. We're pretty tight. We're attached at the hip. I'm going where you go. Huh? What?
Ass Weepay wants a carrot.
What?
He likes to get tickled with a carrot.
I do like get tickled with a carrot. I like carrots. Bitch! Ooh, more fire! Fire Crotch Canyon! Thank you, lady. You're really sweet. We like your park. It's so nice. Have a blessed day. Bye.
That's so nice of you, Ass Weepay.
I'm just a very happy-go-lucky kind of guy.
Yo, what up? K-Funk here. Not in the house. I'm out here in beautiful Utah. You see the sun's getting ready to set. Give you a little view. Had a great few days here. Getting some good workouts in. Seen some beautiful natural features in this wonderful state of Utah. Don't you wanna come? 3351. Fall in love again with travel with My XO Adventures. Called 941-444-2080 or myxoadventures.com. That's for Dandy. But here we go, we're checking out the crib. We got some messy people living with us. Let's go check the place out. We'll see if anybody's home. We gotta look for some slap dicks. Some slappies if it were. And I think we've got a bunch of them. But first, let's take a look at the crib. Let's see, we got Daniel's room here. We got Corey. He's living it up in here. Got a great place. We got the living room. We're living large. Got a big screen TV with some of the dumbest stuff I've ever seen this week. Beautiful couch, beautiful kitchen. Just got done heating up some grub. Get my energy going every morning. Okay, let's turn some lights on. You can see we're really living in style. You can see that the drapes that were broken the first night are now, we'll say, fixed, even though that's not the right word. And there I am. Hey, it's our view. Got a beautiful view. Got some nice decoration with our backyard. Got games. It's a total pad. It's a total pad. It's nice because it's better because we all have our own rooms. That's even the best part. Because I can't say that, oh, there I am again. Because I can't say that everybody is fresh and clean. Mike, he's one of the fresh and clean ones. This is his room. Got his bathroom. Come over here. My room is really messy. I'm normally not like this, but you'll see I did all the grading stuff. But as I said, got a nice view on my room there. We got Corey's crib back here. Oh, turn on the hall light. Nice little place here. Got Corey's room. Is Eddie's constantly dumping clips to the cloud and driving us crazy. but it'll be a great movie. And now we're coming to what we all wanted, the
What up?
Slappies.
MTV Cribs.
Slappy
up?
number 1.
Hey! Slappy number 2.
Hey.
Okay, look, wait.
No, I'm not in middle school. We got Cornelius
Yes,
and our
beautiful.
fearless leader Daniel.
Leche.
So we have a grill that we haven't used yet. Corey said he's gonna make ribs, he never did. You, Corey. But this is our place. We loved it. Totally thank you for having us.
You got it,
We
man.
appreciate it. We've had a wonderful time. See, Corey didn't get enough water today in the Narrows, so he wants to get even more. He didn't get enough yesterday in that little puddle of water we were in.
I did, man. I lost my breath on that.
This is our crib. We got a whole tour. We love it. We had a great time.
We coming back?
We're coming back.
We coming back?
We out.